Hey guys, Rolando from ReveMoto, and today we got a 2020 Honda Odyssey rear bumper removal. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on push notification. And if you guys need any pre-paint auto body parts for your car, in particular this bumper for your Odyssey, already color matched to exact color of your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-paint auto body part source. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna start off with the side right here. So you guys can see right there, that's gonna be like screws. So Phillips screwdrivers. It's gonna be 3 of them. Let's go ahead and get that off. All right, so you just need a Phillips screwdriver like that. Let's come to the side, and all you gotta do is take it off. Oh, a little harder than I thought. Oh, it's rusted. So, just like that. Right. So once you take off all 3 of them, you guys gonna go underneath the car or the van. And if you guys go underneath the car, you guys gonna see these push pins right here. Gonna go ahead and take those off. If you guys have a flathead, so like a flathead screwdriver, that's fine. All you gotta do is come over here and push this out like that. Or if you guys have one of these, a lot easier. Panel removal, just like that. So basically this one's gonna be like a wear and tear item. It's gonna possibly break on you, so just go to the dealership and get some more. So basically all you're doing with a flathead is like going around and then getting this thing up, and it should look like that. So now you can take it off. Go ahead and work your way underneath the bumper, just like so. There's gonna be probably like, I don't know, like 16 of them maybe. They go like all underneath the bumper. You guys can see. Pop those off. And again, all you're doing is working your way underneath the vehicle. It's gonna be a lot of them. Oh, that's interesting. This one has a screw right here. Oh, we'll take that off right here in a few minutes, but there's a screw there. Oh, I think that might be for like the hitch cover. So this one's broken. So this thing, guys, so this thing, I don't know if this is OEM or anything, but there's like a screw right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that off just in case you guys do have it. I don't know what that thing supports, but I've never seen it before. But it could be something that is new. Again, we're just working our way around the bumper. There's going to be a lot of these push pins right here. continuing on. It's just like a lot of them. And this one's missing one. This one. Yep. This should be it. Just remember on the side right here, all you're doing is taking off these screws on the other side. There's 3 of them, but this one's broken. This side is broken. Alright, so the other thing we gotta do is go ahead and lift up the gate right here. It's kind of stuck. And you guys come right here, there's gonna be like these let's see, Torx 30. Looks like this. Star. Let's take that off. Same thing on this side. That should be it. That should be everything. That should be everything that we need to take off. So all I do is pull from one side, just like that. As you guys can see, it's already coming off, which is held on by little brackets right here. One thing I don't want you guys to do is like completely like just rip it, because you guys can see you guys have sensors here, so you guys don't want to rip it in case you guys break those sensors. So again, pull from one side. Like that. And then pull it off. There's going to be a plug right here. You need to unplug it, just like that. And I believe there's one more right here that you need to unplug. Actually, this one you can just take it off of the actual clip. And then unplug it. So I just want to show you guys these clips right here, because as you guys can see, you just have to press down on this tab right here. Now you gotta just press down and it will release it. Same thing over here. This little wire. Actually, no, not this one. Oh, it's on actually the one that's connected to the body of the harness. You press down on that one. Okay. Alright guys, so that's how you remove a 2020 Honda Odyssey rear bumper. If you guys have any questions, comment down below and I'll answer all those questions for you. And again, if you guys need this bumper for your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-pin auto body part source.